Hey guys, so first things first, this is the link to the Myfxbook. If you do not have the link, all you have to do is go to the description and click on the link right there, or you can join the Telegram group. And if you need the login details to the account so that you can view the trades, if you want the investor password and everything, it's in the Telegram group, also the Telegram channel. So all you have to do is go to the description and you get everything you need, all the information you need. So the first thing you can see here is Caleb, that's my name, and you can see there's a real account with Hot Forex, which is a brokerage quite popular over here. But you can use any brokerage you want. And over here you can see how much gain we've had and the apps gain and how much gain we had daily. So you can just come in here, but this is the most important thing here. The trading privileges. If you're looking at any Myfxbook, you have to make sure that the trading privileges are there, okay, and then the track record, obviously, but the trading privilege is very important. And then you have to check that the account is a real account. That is also very, very, very important. A lot of traders can just give you guys fake screenshots and show it in their videos and say that this is a flip, but no, you need the link so that you can view it yourself. And you need the investor password if possible, but if they don't give you that, you need the link, okay? So what I'm going to do next is you can see the monthly gain and all that. You can see the balance is 0 because I made a withdrawal. I withdrew everything, and you can see the deposit here. We made a deposit of $10 and we made a withdrawal of $101. It was last updated on the 17th of October. So if you scroll down over here, you can see we had 16 trades. I thought we had 20, but it's showing 16 over here. After I place 20, you can see the profitability, how many pips and everything. You can just click on the link to view everything, but what I'm here for is the history, the trade history. So these are the trade history. So what you do is you come here, you can see the open date and you can see the close date. You can use this to test your own trading, test your analysis to make yourself better at trading, okay? That's the main goal of this video, and I'm also going to give you guys a breakdown of everything. So now let's move to MetaTrader, where you can see all my trades. So over here on MetaTrader, what I'm going to do is to open up the terminal, and to do that you can either click on here or you press Ctrl T. I'll press Ctrl T and then we'll move to account history. Under the account history you can see our profit and loss, our withdrawals, our deposits, okay? And it starts, this is the last trade which we took. Unlike Myfxbook, the last trade is at the bottom and the first trade is at the top. So you can see the first trade we took was on XAUUSD. I'm going to move to the 5-minute chart and I'll press Ctrl T so we can have a good view. I'm going to use the crosshair tool over here, which is Ctrl F. And the crosshair tool, you can see how many pips you made on a particular trade, okay? So if you come down here, you can see we made about 7.6 on this trade. Let's go to Myfxbook for this. Scroll down. So here you can see over here under the pips, we have the pips row, pip column or row, anyone. 7.7, we entered a buy and we had a loss of about $7 on this trade. So I'm going to blow through that, and then we placed a trade on gold. We had a gold buy, Ctrl T. No, was it a buy? Sell, a gold sell, which we got $9 from, which is this one here. I think it was 98.8 pips. Yeah, 98.8 pips on this sell, which was a really nice sell. And after that you can see price kind of came back up, but it was a really nice entry. The moment we enter, price just started going our direction, which is what we love to see. On a $10 account, you don't have the luxury of holding trades for too long, because if you lose 100 pips, you're going to blow your account, even if you're using 0.01 lot size, okay? Because 0.01 lot size and you lose 100 pips, that is $10, so you've blown your account. So you don't really have that luxury of holding trades for too long. So what we're going to do next is check the next trade, which was XAUUSD, which was a loss. This trade we didn't really move anywhere because it was a mistake. This is the trade over here. It was a mistake. I placed this trade on my phone and I thought I was on the gold chart until I looked at it. It hadn't moved for a long time and I was like, why? So when I checked, I saw it was Euro USD. So that is why, if you notice, the entry and exit was almost the same price, and we just lost $0.02 on that. The next trade we placed was a gold buy. Drag it there. So if you want to view your trades on MetaTrader just like the way I'm doing it, all you have to do is come to your terminal, click on the particular trade you want, or where your mouse is down, you drag it. You're going to see this box on the mouse, you drag it and you leave it, and it's going to show you the trades. It's going to show you your entry and your exit. So this was the trade we entered on gold also, and we got about 49 pips here, but we're negative about 35 pips at a point, where I held the trade, and it looks like a big move over here, but on the 1 hour chart you see this was like few minutes I held the trade. And if you notice, the moment we left the trade from this point, price dropped about 152 pips. So we actually left the trade at the peak, if you can see over here. Oops, and then come over again. This was another trade we placed over here. You can see this was the next day, I think. This was the next day. We placed a buy, got like 27 pips from that, nothing too crazy. And then after that, we placed a sell on gold. I was really focused on gold more. This was like my biggest drawdown, because you can see after we placed a sell, price still kept pushing up. It pushed up 117 pips. So this is the period where your risk management is very important. If I was all in with a lot of risk, I would have blown the account, right? So this is the area where like your risk management is very, very important. But we did well, and we later came back for 42 pips. After that, we placed another sell on gold again, and we actually hit take profit on this particular trade, even if we're negative. Like, price was quite bullish on gold, we're negative about 103 pips, but I kept holding because, like I said, I was babysitting all these trades and I knew it was still going to sell. So I kept watching it, and I was not entering with too much risk, so I could hold it. Like, it was very small loss, on the $10 account. I had already grown the account, as you can see the different profits we had made. So I had the luxury of taking certain risk, and then we hit take profit, as you can see, and then I went in for another sell again on gold. Over here, you can see this one was a nice sell because price kept falling, and we hit take profit again. And if you notice, I've increased my lot size to 0.02. So I entered a buy over here, and this buy also hit take profit for about 49 pips, and I entered another buy again. We hit take profits for about 50 pips. And mind you, look at the profit on the side. It doesn't look big, but on a small account, this is how you grow an account, right? So I pressed a withdrawal. I withdrew $29 and I withdrew $3 again. That's about $32, right? Yeah, so just because I wanted to withdraw the money I had deposited, just for confidence, it's good to withdraw your profit.
Tell them to bring me my money.
That. So when you withdraw your profit, it's kind of like your trading demo in a way, because you don't have anything to do, so you're more confident. So that was my goal, and that was what I did. And then if you notice, we came back to 0.01 lots. We're no longer placing those big lots anymore. And if you go to my Myfxbook too, you can see the part where I withdrew. You can see $29 and $3, that I withdrew. And you can see we came back to 0.01 lots too. Okay, so the first trade we placed was a buy on the 17th around 2 a.m. was when I placed this trade. On the 17th, 2 a.m. So that should be this. Yeah, that is this trade over here. That is this buy over here. I placed a buy to this level, about 54 pips. After that, I placed a buy again, and then I placed a buy. I just kept placing buys because I knew price was going to go up. So I left this trade too early. This one I should have just keep holding, right? Because it kept going up. no hard feelings. I took in my profits and then I placed a buy over here. It went up. I was in profits about 43 pips, but I think I slept off because I was very tired. I've been babysitting all the trades. Mind you, I'm trying to grow the account from 10 to 100. It's a small account. I don't really have that margin to play around, right? So I think I slept off over here and I lost 52 pips, which is almost like what we gained. If you look at it, placed a buy and then I think, oh, okay. So what happened is, okay, this was two buys. Okay, this is the one we lost $10, right? So I placed 0.01 twice. You can see the same entry, 274.18 for these both trades. So low key, it was like I was in a 0.02 trade, and then I placed a buy again, which I lost. I lost basically what I just got back, and then I went in for another little buy, which is this one here, and I just got 0.48. Then I went in for another buy again at 268. So that was this one over here. Placed a buy over here, 31 pips, right? And then I placed another buy, but I went in with 0.10, so I got back most of the losses I had, because like I said, at this period gold was at the all-time high, so there was a lot of resistance. So I wasn't going in with too much risk. I wasn't as confident because I knew we were at a resistance zone, and you might be right most times, but there could be a little retracement that will take you out before price actually keeps on going bullish, because we are on the US presidential election period and we have BRICS going on also. I think that period there was news also, so you can't just be putting in too much risk, right? So yeah, that was that. And then I wanted to go in again. I wanted to keep holding actually, because if we switch to we lost the next trade, which was a buy, which is this one here. I lost about $6 on this, but I just closed it off because I didn't want to risk more. Even though, if you can see, if I kept holding it, I mean, look at how much would have gotten, like 540 something pips, right? But it's a $0 to $100 challenge I was doing, and at the time, if you add this $6, that is, I had gotten about $108, right? But I was like, let me just stop at $100 and make this video. But if you guys want me to continue, I would make a deposit again, and let's see if you can do $100 to $1,000. But that's it. Join the Telegram group and check the link in the description for my Myfxbook. You can click there, go and look at the trades. It's a real account, like I said. I'm also going to send you guys the login details and the investor password so that you can check it out and see how you can compare it to your own trading and look at what I was looking at. Okay, the Telegram group is quite new, so I'm going to be posting a lot of updates there. Okay, so don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to keep doing analysis on the channel, and tell me what you guys want me to post. The next challenge I want to do is going to be probably $100 to $1,000, so just let me know what you guys want and I'll make it happen. Join the Telegram group because I've got some goodies coming in over there too. Can't wait to see you guys later. Peace.